What I'm going to show you now is how to do a very important step, the patient setup. So after you've given your patient the app at Chairside, we want you to immediately go in and have the patient fill in their information. So this is the Cereso Ortho homepage on the app, and what we're going to do is select patient. From the patient, we need to go select setup, and this is the setup screen. So the first thing we want to do is enter the patient's name. So we'll tap to enter the patient's name. In this particular instance, we'll call him Tom Thumb. So their name is listed. Then we'll go in and enter a date of birth. We can select any date that we want by using the scroll. In this case, we're just going to select phone number if we want to add in a phone number. In this case, we're not going to do this. Orthodontist. This is a very important feature because anytime the patient wants to send a photo or a picture or an update via Facebook or the internet, you want to be sure that you're attached as the orthodontist. So you go through the orthodontic list for them and be sure you select yourself as the orthodontist. To be able to communicate with their dentist, you need to be able to select their dentist. So if you've registered the app and with the app and put the dentist information online, you can select any of the dentists in here. The dentist is now selected as their dentist. And the last thing to do is set up their photo. You can add their photo, and you can do it from taking a picture right on their device, or you can choose one from the gallery. We're just going to choose one from the gallery here. I'm going to choose the camera roll, and we're just going to show one of nature here. They can put any picture they want on it, but this is the picture that's selected. If they don't like that picture, you can remove it, and then you can select again. Again from the gallery. Go to the camera roll, select their picture, and essentially right now everything is set up. So at this point we're done and we go back and the patient is now registered with in the app.